Today, we are diving into the German Abendbrot tradition. This is an evening ritual that so many of us grow up with, and it's far more interesting than just a table full of bread and toppings. Abendbrot literally means evening bread. It's calm, no-cook supper built around good bread, butter, cold cuts, pickles, fresh vegetables, and condiments like mustard. Everyone assembles their own plate, so it's simple but still satisfying. The habit goes way back. For generations, the main meal happened at midday. And that's because the people needed the energy for farm work and later also factory work. Those who work at farms could eat something warm at home, and many factories offered warm lunches during the break. And actually, funny enough, a lot of workplaces until today still have canteens where people can buy themselves full lunches. Evenings stay quiet and no one really wanted to turn on the stove again. And to be honest, this tradition stuck with us, and it's still how a lot of families eat because it's comforting and easy. In our families, we never use a Frühstücksbrettchen for breakfast or supper. We went for the normal plates. Germans used the breakfast board because they were cost-effective alternative to porcelain dishes and much more robust and durable. So it was practical and cheap to use them instead of the real plates. Also, in our family, we don't use fork and a knife to eat breakfast or dinner. We just stick to the regular knife unless we put something hot on the bread, like for example an egg. Now, here's something what I would love to know from you. What do you actually eat in the evening and where you live? A full dinner? Something light? Let me know in the comments because patterns vary a lot, even inside Germany. So here in Frankfurt, where I live, I've been observing following pattern. Families with kids and plenty of retirees often stick to the classic Abendbrot. Singles, child-free couples, and mixed culture households sometimes flip it. Small lunch and full dinner in the evening. When it's about Abendbrot, bread is an anchor. In Frankfurt, we love our rye and wheat mixes, but plenty of people go now for different variations of a whole grain bread or regional favorite breads. Why bread? It keeps well and it works with whatever's in the kitchen. And then come the toppings. As a parent, for us, non-negotiables is rohkost. So the raw vegetables like bell pepper, cucumber, and some cherry tomatoes. It's healthy and Max just loves it. And I get to have my snack before Abendbrot. Instead of fresh veggies, we also used to have pickles. In Germany, we have a product that is called Brotzeitgurken, and those are pickles that have been already sliced. When it's about the cold cuts, we've got salami, ham, Lachsschinken, which is raw ham, and sometimes Pfefferbalsa. From time to time, we also have spreadable sausages like Teewurst or liver sausage. When it's about the cheese, Emmentaler, Gouda or Bergkäse would be the standard choices. But here in Frankfurt, I've got a secret cheese. And that's the high-protein Handkäse mit Musik. It's been marinated with oil and onions for 1 day. I'm also gonna add some vinegar in it, and all this is gonna make a sauce that it's called music. And that's because people actually fart after eating this many onions. And also, let's not forget about the mustard. I guess I'm gonna need to get some more. In Germany, we also love our spreads, and here we go definitely beyond Oberster. In Hessen, we love our Spundekäse and Kochkäse. In terms of flavor, this can definitely compete with Oberster. And also, let's not forget about the butter. On the table, you can also find a few classic salads that we eat with bread. For example, Wurstsalat, Käsesalat, which is, by the way, one of my favorites, and Heringssalat. In many variations, the most popular are with apple and cream and with beetroots. On a normal day, we just put everything in the middle of the table, additionally bread basket and veggies on the board. For this video, I obviously set it up a bit neater, so now you can get a clear look at everything. Our favorites, I love going for the liver sausage with pickles, as I used to in the past. I also love bread with butter, cheese and tomatoes, as well as Spundekäse with peppers. Max piles different sausages or ham on the top of cream cheese and bread, and Matthias keeps it minimal. Bread and meat. No butter. German Abendbrot doesn't have to be cold. It can be as simple as warm Frankfurter, Wiener or Bockwurst served with bread and mustard. And if you are curious how all of this connects to the rest of the day, stick around. Next up, what the Germans eat for breakfast. Thanks for watching. It was my pleasure.